Supermicro has entered into a partnership with Datavolt to build hyperscale AI campuses, initially in Saudi Arabia. The collaboration aims to deliver enhanced computing power for next-generation AI infrastructure, using local renewable and sustainable green technology. Supermicro will provide a complete range of IT solutions, including high-performance AI servers, networking equipment, storage devices, racks, and advanced liquid cooling technologies to fast-track the delivery of Datavolt's large-scale, sustainable AI campuses. The partnership is subject to definitive agreements being completed, with an estimated minimum market value of $20 billion for the products involved. This comes after they launched Data Center Building Block Solutions, DCBBS, which simplifies and shortens global-scale build-outs of liquid-cooled data centers for artificial intelligence and IT. The solution streamlines design, building, deployment, and operation of critical computing and cooling infrastructure at a system, rack, or data center scale. The modularized architecture reduces costs while maintaining high quality and availability through Supermicro's industry-leading design, manufacturing capacity, management software, on-site services, and global support. Supermicro's DCBBS offers clients a quick and easy way to build data center infrastructure with a time-to-market advantage of up to 3 months. It provides pre-validated scalable units and customizable packages to meet various project requirements. With comprehensive first-party services, Supermicro ensures project success from consultation to on-site deployment and continued support. DCBBS also helps customers save up to 40% power, reduce the data center footprint by 60%, decrease water consumption by 40%, and lower TCO by 20%. DCBBS includes up to 256 liquid-cooled 4U Supermicro NVIDIA HGX systems, each with 8 NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs, totaling 2,048 GPUs, and interconnected via high-speed networking platforms such as NVIDIA Quantum X800 InfiniBand or NVIDIA Spectrum X Ethernet. The system also features elastic storage options with high-performance PCIe Gen 5 NVMe drives, TCO-optimized data lake nodes, and resilient management system nodes for continuous operation. Customization options are at the system, rack, and data center levels. This modular building block approach allows customers to determine their system-level bill of materials by selecting individual components like CPUs, GPUs, DIMMs, drives, and NICs, ensuring specialized hardware requirements are met for specific data center workloads and applications. Additionally, Supermicro assists in designing rack enclosure layouts for thermal and cabling optimization, with options for 42U, 48U, and 52U configurations. After initial consultation, a project proposal tailored to the customer's power budget or performance targets is delivered by Supermicro. Direct-to-chip liquid cooling, DLC, in data centers is helping customers build more efficient liquid-cooled facilities that can better remove heat. DLC provides superior efficiency by capturing heat directly from individual chips and includes infrastructure for large-scale data center deployment. Supermicro's DLC2 system offers further improvements such as cold plates for various components, support for up to 45 degrees Celsius inlet water temperature, low noise levels of 50 decibels or less, up to 98% heat capture, and potential power savings of up to 40% compared to air cooling in data centers. Supermicro also provides the SuperCloud Composer Suite, which offers infrastructure management capabilities with advanced analytics for compute, storage, and network at cloud scale. On top of that, they possess expertise in data center application integration such as AI training, cluster management, workload orchestration, and software provisioning validation support. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.